Hello, welcome to Check It Out with Rich. Today we're going to do a little project on a truck. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to go from this to this. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? All right, let me show you how we're going to get there. Okay, this is a 2024 F350 Dolly. I ordered these through Ford. They're a little expensive. I think it was $215 with tax. Sorry for the truck in the background. But on the back of here, it says RH. So that is your right side, which would be passenger side.
I don't think we can see it. Oh, there we go.
Okay, and they are very pliable. They're not very thick at all, as you can see. I'm bending it around like nothing. Okay, in the parts package, it comes with 3 of these inserts that you'll put into oval holes. There's 3 for each side, and then there's 3 screws that will go into it. It'll go into this hole here. So you got the 3 screws, and then you got these 3 butt plugs. I don't know, whatever you call them. Okay, the instruction sheet that came with this had a QR code. When I went onto the QR code, it took me to the Ford webpage, and I had to put my vehicle in, and then it popped up with a bunch of instructions. Nothing was on this. So I actually looked at a YouTube channel. I can't remember the name of it, but thanks. And it's not very hard to put on. The other side I put on in about 15 minutes. So let me take you in and show you what we're going to do. Okay, first thing you want to do is take this little clip out. So you take this trusty tool here, get it in there, eventually, pop it out, and it comes right out. Okay, next thing you want to do, you want to put these fasteners in here. So the first one will go in the front hole. And then, I don't know how well you can see, but there is another oval hole down the bottom here. There's another one here. You don't want to put it there. You want to put it in the bottom. Now this is facing towards the front. So I'm going to pop that in there if I can find it blindly. Okay, that clips in. And then the next one, let's get turned around here. Sorry if I made you dizzy. Okay, you got to pull this back. That's why you have to take that clip out. And I'm going to have my assistant hold that. And then there's one down here. Now that's at the bottom. There's another one here. You don't want to put it there. So it'd be at the bottom of each. All right, so next thing you want to do, you want to take this, shove it on in there, and then bring it up. And then there's a lip up here that this part will go onto. So you got to try to get it lined up as best you can. And then you just got to work at it. Oh, I forgot to do this. You got to pull this out of the way. And then you just got to manhandle it up there and push that up in so it gets on that little ridge. Now what you can do, see I'm off a little bit, so we can go ahead and move that forward. Way too much, Rich. Okay, so that's not bad. So we're hitting pretty good there. And then we just want to push this all in on the other side. No, we no break. Okay, let's get up here. There, that's in. Okay, now we got to get this back corner. Okay, it's all tucked in on this lip, so we're good. So next thing we want to do, we want to go ahead and put these screws in. Now these screws are 7mm, so you either need a ratchet, a nut driver, or I'm going to use my impact. And when you do, push it up until it tightens down a little bit. Don't over torque it, it will strip it out. All right, I'm gonna put these other two in. We're not gonna be able to get a video of it. All right, I got all three screws in. The other side was like wham, bam, right in, no problem. This side here, because I'm filming naturally, put up one hell of a fight. Okay, so next it's time for the butt plugs, is what I call them. All right, so the one goes here. And it seems like it should. All right, it started. Let me get a pounder. You might have to back up because I'm pounding, baby. There you go. Okay, let's try this again because it's off a little. There we go, right in. Okay, now the other two, you'll put one in here and then one on the other side. So let me get them in and then we'll come back. Okay, yeah, I had to actually loosen the screws up a little bit to get this last one in. Once I did, it slid over half decent. So last thing to do is this last push pin. So you want to bring this back, give us a little bend to it since you bent it out so it stays back, it doesn't come catch the tire. And then just push that in, and that's it. This side, because I'm filming, took me, what, a little over 15 minutes?
Yeah. And it's 120 degrees.
And it's 120 degrees. I got
With
swamp ass right
100%
now.
humidity.
Yes. So anyway, it's done. It's not that bad. Just wish they would have had directions on it, but there's plenty of YouTube videos out here on this, including mine. So let's take a look and see what it looks like.
Looks finished.
Yes, it definitely looks finished. Except for the white here. Maybe I'll put something on there just to dress it up. It looks pretty good though. Okay, so another easy, semi-easy job. This side here kicked my butt. But anyway, once again, thanks for checking it out. We will see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.